Theology, the world is for you. The throne and the crown is there.
Viewer subscribe at the street attack and it attack hard. A cattle link me and say, yo, Stola, you know, see, say, Kartel Diss Jah Cure wicked. But before we jump in at that, meds.
If it happen, make it happen. Don't know we now left with gear. DJ Stola, one shot.
Viewer subscriber, we see other day Jah Cure run out and big up X amount of man pan the Grammy and tell Stylo G said the throne and the crown are for him. And it look like said Jah Cure make a mistake because a video we gone 7 years ago. All of a sudden Jah Cure feel pressure. Now Kartel run out and this Jah Cure in the wickedest way and say, yo, no bother for the pum pum. Bona raper. Throwback teacher. The man not even finish. The man say, control yourself, hombre. Jaji Paji, throwback. Vibes Kartel. Fam, Kartel rank. But here and now, viewer subscriber. See, me no know if the whole time frame of the video will leak. Me Kartel a pressure. Jah Cure like that. Because as far as we think we know, Jah Cure and Vibes Kartel did good. But the time frame also don't look good. Or maybe it's because Jah Cure said, you know, the throne and the crown of his Stylo G wishing we don't know say. Kartel tell Popcorn say, the crown of him. And we know say Stylo G and Kartel did in a certain vibes with Stylo G woman. So you see what me I say? You see the meds? You know have to check the meds. See? Me don't know what go on in a dog, but me just show you the meds of saying the time frame. If you know say that video you were gone 7 years ago. Viewer subscriber, me don't want to get it twisted neither, you know. Because I know the first or the second time we see Kartel run out, you know. And this any man where him want this, you know. Because at the end of the day, Kartel know how to keep himself relevant, you know. Kartel know how to make him name always a call up in a dance hall. And a them thing they also don't have a meds. So although this a video just come out with Jah Cure, Kartel can look upon it where it's like another thing for him to say. You see me? So him can again be relevant again in a dance hall. You see what me I say? You don't have to look on all different kind of scenario or where them call it. You see me? So I just saw the vibes go. So you don't just feel say I just one side. But here and now, me I go make you hear what Jah Cure say to Stylo G. Meds.
Stylo G, the world is for you. The throne and the crown is there. Believe in yourself. Nothing wrong for have confidence and self-esteem. Know what you want. Tell yourself, tell the universe. Because all of the people might believe in the universe. Law of attraction do works. I believe in the universe and I ask the universe for everything I want. So Stylo G, let me tell you this. I can't tell you how much them and the girl is gonna put it down on my favorite song. Dumpling. Stylo G, I love your song. I say, oh, you DJ in one kind of way. You have your own uniqueness. You have your own sound. You have your own thing. There's nobody who sound like Stylo G in the business. Youth, me Jah Cure says I'm in a bad mind. You're big already. Just continue up on the path. Don't drop off. Mr. So, who don't like it, take a dive.
So viewer subscriber, as you hear Jah Cure say that saying, and the dog say, who not like it, take a dive. You see me? So that's the way him reach out to Stylo G and say to Stylo G. You see me? Stylo G obviously look upon that and say, yo, me have to go pay homage. So Stylo G respond back to Jah Cure and say, yo, hear me now. Man style different at the real Jah Cure, 100%. You hear that, take a dive. See? So when you look on them, the kind of thing that hurts someone's feelings. Viewer, subscriber, that hurts someone's feelings. Take a dive. You see me? So if you know, say, Jah Cure reach out them the way there to Stylo G and Stylo G pay homage. You know what I mean? Back to Jah Cure. Someone don't like that. And at this so right now, you have to check the meds and see say something not right. You see me? Me no know what go on as me say. Viewer, subscriber, want to know left it in the comment section and tell me what you think. But when you look on the whole time frame of how everything set out, you can see say something the right. You see me? When you just look on the whole of the meds, me can only put certain things together and then make uno think. Cause me can't tell you no how to think, uno have to think, how uno think. But me can only put certain things together as a blogger and then make uno put 1 and 2 together and see where uno get. Someone are going to get 2, someone are going to get 3, someone are going to get even 5. But so you go. You see me? Uno run with when I run with. But hear me now, viewer, subscriber. You see, if you are new viewers, we say X amount of respect goes out to your boy Stola. One shot. And you see all my old viewers them, we say X amount of respect goes out. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. Right now we now say nothing more, dog. And your boy Stola. We out. One.